Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the care of Vever versus Garten of Banban. Understanding their unique needs is crucial for successful nurturing. Vever, a lively companion, thrives on consistent attention and a specialized diet. Conversely, the Garten of Banban, a mystical flora, demands a controlled environment with particular light and hydration levels. We'll explore these distinctions to help you decide which fits your lifestyle best. Caring for a Vever involves consistent engagement and a structured routine. These energetic creatures require a minimum of 30 minutes of active playtime each day to stay happy and healthy. Their diet is specific, needing 25 grams of specialized Vever kibble served twice daily. Additionally, maintaining their living space within a comfortable temperature range, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, is vital for their overall health. The Garten of Banban demands a precise environmental setup for it to flourish. This unique plant thrives on 12 hours of consistent, indirect sunlight every single day. Hydration is also key, requiring 150 milliliters of purified water every other day to prevent over- or underwatering. Furthermore, maintaining the soil's pH level strictly between 6.0 and 6.5 is essential for its vibrant growth and health. Deciding between a Vever and a Garten of Banban depends on your preferred level of engagement. Ververs offer a lively, interactive experience with daily play and feeding. The Garten of Banban, however, suits those who prefer a more hands-off approach, focusing on environmental precision. Both offer unique rewards. Remember to check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while caring for your chosen companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.